Best Miter Saws 2026. With the DIY and home improvement boom showing no signs of slowing down, power tools like miter saws have become staples in many workshops and job sites. Much like mechanical keyboards appeal to typists and gamers for their satisfying switches, solid build, and well-engineered layout, miter saws are judged on motor power, blade size, accuracy of miter and bevel settings, build quality, ergonomic layout, and overall value.
Product number 1. Metabo HPT 10-inch single bevel compound miter saw. The Metabo HPT 10-inch single bevel compound miter saw offers a strong combination of portability and performance. Its 15-amp motor generates no-load speeds up to 5,000 RPM, and its lightweight design of approximately 24 pounds makes it easy to transport. The single bevel rotates up to 45 degrees left with positive stops at common angles such as 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 22.5 degrees, 31.6 degrees, and 45 degrees, ensuring accuracy for various cuts. The saw's large table surface accommodates different materials, making it ideal for trim carpentry and smaller workshop spaces.
Product number 2. DeWalt 12-inch miter saw, 15-amp. The DeWalt 12-inch 15-amp miter saw is designed for users who need durability and cutting capacity. With a 12-inch blade, it easily handles larger dimensional lumber and crown molding. Its motor delivers approximately 4,000 RPM, and the bevel adjusts up to 48 degrees left and slightly right, allowing versatile angle cuts. The stainless steel miter detent plate and tall side fences improve accuracy for repetitive crosscuts and larger workpieces. Though heavier and requiring more workspace than smaller models, it offers superior stability and precision for framing, trim work, or cabinetry. This saw is best suited for professionals or serious DIY enthusiasts who frequently work with wider boards and need a durable, long-lasting tool. Product number 3. DeWalt 20V Max 7 1/4-inch miter saw. The DeWalt 20V Max 7 1/4-inch sliding miter saw is perfect for those who prioritize cordless convenience and portability. Running on the DeWalt 20V battery platform, it allows roughly 180 to 200 crosscuts of 2x4 pine per charge. The sliding function extends its cutting capacity, and the bevel adjusts up to 48 degrees, supporting a variety of angle cuts. Its compact, lightweight design, around 30 pounds, makes it ideal for remodeling projects and mobile job sites. While the smaller blade limits depth compared to 10 or 12-inch saws, this model provides ample performance for everyday cutting tasks. Its portability, battery convenience, and mid-range cutting capability make it a solid option for DIYers and contractors on the move. Product number 4. DeWalt Double Bevel Sliding Miter Saw 12-inch Compound. For maximum versatility, the DeWalt 12-inch Double Bevel Sliding Compound Miter Saw offers dual bevel and sliding rails. Its 15-amp motor drives approximately 3,800 RPM with a bevel range of 0 to 48 degrees in both directions. Sliding rails allow wide stock cuts, and tall fences support crown moldings and larger lumber. The saw includes cam lock miter handles and detent overrides for quick, accurate angle adjustments. While it is heavy and takes up significant space, its dual bevel and sliding features provide unmatched flexibility for professional woodworking, trim, and cabinetry. If you frequently work with large materials and need precision, this saw is ideal. Product number 5. SKIL 10-inch Dual Bevel Sliding Compound Miter Saw, MS6305-00. The SKIL MS6305-00 is a budget-friendly 10-inch dual bevel sliding miter saw suitable for DIYers and hobbyists. It features a 15-amp motor with no-load speeds around 4,800 RPM, dual bevel functionality, and a sliding mechanism for increased cutting width. While dust collection and materials are not as premium as higher-end models, it handles typical woodworking tasks well, such as crosscuts and 45-degree miters on 2x8 stock. Its sliding rails require extra workspace, but for home projects, it offers excellent value, combining dual bevel flexibility and sliding capability at an affordable price point.